Hi, my name is Julia, and today we'll be going over the basics of layers within the EDOnext designer. First, let's go to the top menu and you will see the Layers tab. In the drop-down, you will see all of our layer options. The two main layers are the content and background layers. Anytime you add an element like a text box, photo, shape, or clip art, it will by default appear on the content layer. Backgrounds are automatically assigned to the background layer. The help layer can assist with mapping out your design. To add a new layer, select the Create a Layer option, where you can name your new layer for your page. This feature is great for flowing multiple classes on a single page. Layers can be toggled on or off by selecting or deselecting the checkbox on the right. The Frame Index feature enables easy customization of how items are layered on your page. First, select the item you'd like to move. Next, right-click to open the menu. From there, choose Frame Index. You'll see options to move your item up, move down, bring it to the front, or all the way to the back. You can also move elements to different layers with the Move to Layer feature below the Frame Index. This tool gives you complete control over how elements are stacked, so your design looks exactly the way you want. And that's the Layers feature. Thank you for choosing EDOnext as your yearbook design software.